विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, गेल्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण हीट या चॅप्टरचा स्टडी केलेला आहे. म्हणण्यापेक्षा हीट हे चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केलेलं आहे. फर्स्ट वी कन्सिडर द रिवाइज इट. व्हॉट डू मीन बाय टेम्परेचर अँड व्हॉट डू मीन बाय हीट. व्हॉट डू मीन बाय टेम्परेचर? अ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी विच कॅन एक्सप्रेस द एनी बॉडी is hot or cold. That is nothing but the temperature. And what do you mean by heat? The amount of the transfer of heat from one body to another body without any mechanical work due to the difference of the temperature between the two bodies is that transfer of the heat from one body to another, transfer of the energy from one body to another body is known as the heat. In last period you had studied temperature and heat. But how the heat is transferred from one body to another body? There are some ways to transfer the heat from one body to another body. की मला याच्यामध्ये सांगायचं आहे की हीट ट्रान्सफर होते एका बॉडीपासून दुसऱ्या बॉडीपर्यंत. पण ही ट्रान्सफर होणारी हीट कोणत्या मार्गाने होते? देर आर हाऊ मेनी वेज टू ट्रान्सफर द हीट और देर आर हाऊ मेनी मोड्स ऑफ द ट्रान्सफर ऑफ द हीट? जनरली there are three ways of the mode of the transfer of the heat or ways of the heat transfer. The first is the conduction. Second is the convection. And third is the radiation. The first we discuss about these three basic concepts which are related to the transfer of heat. The first is the conduction. In last year you had studied about the ways of the heat transfer, conduction, convection and radiation. The conduction is related to the solid. That means these are the three ways of the transfer of heat. Conduction is related to the solid. Then convection is related to the fluid. What do you mean by fluid? Fluid means the substances which can flow. जे substance flow होतात त्याला आपण fluid असं म्हणतो. It contains the liquid and gases. And third, radiation is related to the electromagnetic waves. It is related to the electromagnetic waves. First we discuss about the conduction. What do you mean by conduction? In last year you have studied it. The heat is transferred from one point to the another point, or heat is transferred from one body to another body without transfer of the migration किंवा without migration of the particle, without migration of the atom or molecule. That transfer of heat is known as, that process is known as the conduction. If we take the any iron rod, one end of the iron rod is heated with a burner. This iron rod contains the infinite number of the atoms. It contains the infinite number of the atoms. Distance between the neighboring atoms or molecule is very, very small. They are tightly bound with each other. And when we provide the heat at one end of that iron rod, after a few minutes, the heat is transferred from A point to B point. But how will transfer the heat? When we provide the heat to the each and every atom of the end A, या एंड ईला ज्यावेळेस आपण हीट प्रोव्हाइड करतो त्यावेळेस कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ ईच ॲटम गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग. जर आपण या आयर्न रॉडला एका एंडला जर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये हीट प्रोव्हाइड केली तर इथं असणाऱ्या प्रत्येक ॲटम हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब करेल, एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब करेल. परिणामी त्यांची कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढेल आणि कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढली की फ्रिक्शन वाढेल आणि फ्रिक्शन वाढलं की याचं टेम्परेचर काय होईल? वाढू लागेल. पण वेन दीज ॲटम्स आर कोलाइड विथ इच अदर ॲट दिस टाईम, the amount of the internal energy is transferred from A end to B end, atom to atom. A end पासून B end कडे ही ट्रान्सफर होईल. पण हा फर्स्ट ॲटम सेकंडला ट्रान्सफर करेल, सेकंड थर्डला करेल, बिकॉज वी नो दॅट हिट इज ऑलवेज ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम हायर टेम्परेचर टू लोअर टेम्परेचर. इथं असणाऱ्या ॲटमची इंटरनल एनर्जी वाढली म्हणजे त्यांचं टेम्परेचर वाढलं आणि याच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये असणाऱ्या ॲटमची इंटरनल एनर्जी कमी असेल म्हणजे हीट एनर्जी इज ऑलवेज ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम हायर टेम्परेचर टू लोअर टेम्परेचर और हायर इंटरनल एनर्जी टू लोअर इंटरनल एनर्जी विदाऊट मायग्रेशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल. हे पार्टिकल किंवा ॲटम आपल्या स्वतःच्याच जागी राहतील आणि हीट ट्रान्सफर ॲटम टू ॲटम करतील, तेव्हा ॲटम टू ॲटम हीट ट्रान्सफर करण्याच्या प्रोसेसलाच आपण काय म्हणतो? कंडक्शन. म्हणजे the process in which heat is transferred from one end to another end without migration of the particle. That mode of the transfer of heat is known as the conduction. What do you mean by convection? Convection is related to the liquids or liquid and gases. It is nothing but the fluids. In last year you have studied the one experiment. First we take the beaker or vessel and then we take the some amount of the water in it. Suppose these are the molecules of the water. आपण याच्यामध्ये few quantity of the water घेतलेला आहे and then we provide the heat to the water with the help of the burner. जेव्हा आपण याला heat provide करू, at this time firstly the temperature किंवा the kinetic energy of the lower molecule of the water goes on increasing. When the lower molecule of the water gain the amount of the energy, that means the distance between the neighboring molecule goes on increasing. That means the density of these molecule goes on decreasing and the less density of the particles migrate from lower part to the upper part and upper part takes place its position. इथली सुरुवातीला या हीटच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये जेवढे मॉलिक्यूल असतील त्या मॉलिक्यूलचं टेम्परेचर वाढेल आणि मॉलिक्यूलचं टेम्परेचर वाढले की कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढेल. कायनेटिक एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब केलेली असेल, परिणामी यांची कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढेल आणि कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढल्यामुळे टेम्परेचर वाढल्यामुळे याची जी काय डेन्सिटी आहे या मॉलिक्यूलची ही डेन्सिटी कमी होईल आणि लेस डेन्सिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल गोज टुवर्ड द अप्पर सरफेस. म्हणजे दीज मॉलिक्यूल फर्स्टली ॲब्सॉर्ब द अमाऊंट ऑफ हीट्स. Its density goes on decreasing. Due to decreasing the density, they migrates toward the upper surface with the heat. जेव्हा या वॉटरच्या मॉलिक्यूलला हीट प्रोव्हाइड केली, लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द वॉटर जे असतील त्यांना जेव्हा हीट प्रोव्हाइड होईल तेव्हा त्यांची इंटरनल एनर्जी इन्क्रीज होईल. इंटरनल एनर्जी इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे त्यांचं टेम्परेचर वाढेल, परिणामी त्याची डेन्सिटी कमी होईल आणि डेन्सिटी कमी झाल्यामुळे this less density of the molecule of water reaches toward the upper surface with the heat. ते ज्यावेळेस अप्पर सरफेसला जातील त्यावेळेस त्यात जात असताना स्वतःबरोबर ते हीटसुद्धा वाहून नेतील. याच्यामध्ये ॲटम टू ॲटम हीट ट्रान्सफर झालेली, पण इथून मॉलिक्युलच हीट ट्रान्सफर होत असताना ते स्वतःबरोबर काय करतात, हीटसुद्धा वाहून नेतात आणि त्याच्या जागी ज्याची डेन्सिटी हाय असेल ते मॉलिक्यूल रिचेस टुवर्ड दी बॉटम. अगेन temperature goes on increasing of the lower part of the vessel of the molecule of water. Again its density goes on density goes on decreasing and they reaches toward the upper surface. म्हणजे ही कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस होईल. म्हणजे इथं मॉलिक्यूल वर जातील खाली येतील, वर जातील खाली येतील, पण ज्यावेळेस वर जातील त्यावेळेस ते स्वतःबरोबर काय करणार, हीट एनर्जीसुद्धा ट्रान्सफर करणार आणि एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर जी होईल त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो हीट. म्हणजे इन दिस एक्झाम्पल the energy is transferred from one place to another place with the migration of the particle. That type of the transfer of mode is known as the convection. Means what? The energy is transferred from one point to another point with the migration of the particle. That type of the process or mode of the transfer of heat is known as the convection. And third way of the heat transfer is radiation, where medium is necessary in the convection, but in radiation there is no necessity of the medium. Without medium the heat energy transfer from one point to the another point. याचं एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सन घेता येईल. Infinite number of the rays are originated from the sun and they are spread in all direction and on the surface of the earth. Between the atmosphere and the sun, this is the earth atmosphere. Between the atmosphere of the earth and sun it contains the vacuum. There is no medium, but through the vacuum the energy is transferred with the help of the electromagnetic waves and then the atmosphere absorbs the some amount of the energy. At this time you can say that there is the transfer of the energy from the sun and reaches toward the surface of the earth or reaches toward the atmosphere of the earth. Between the atmosphere of the earth and the sun there is the vacuum. म्हणजे through the vacuum the energy is transferred from sun toward the earth with the help of the electromagnetic wave. That type of the mode of the transfer of heat is known as the radiation. With the help of these three ways the energy is transferred from one point to another point. In first example, the particle or atoms of the molecule migrate the without migration of the particle transfer the energy from one end to another end. In second convection, the heat is transferred from one place to the another place with the migration of the particle, where without the migration of the particle, with the migration of the particle, heat is transferred from one place to the another place. But in third mode of the heat of transfer, there is no necessity of the particle or medium. Heat is transferred from one point to the another point with the help of the electromagnetic wave through the vacuum. That type of the mode of the transfer of heat is known as the radiation. And these are the three ways of the heat transfer.